Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your remote access with Citrix step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Citrix Workspace app from the Citrix website. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, launch the Citrix Workspace app. You will be prompted to enter your organization's URL. Input the URL provided by your IT department. Click on Add to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your login credentials. Use your work email address and password to log in. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, follow the required steps. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard displaying available applications. Select the application you wish to access remotely. Click on the application icon to launch it. If prompted, enter any additional credentials as required. The application will open in a secure window. To enhance security, configure your settings. Navigate to the Preferences option within the Citrix Workspace app. Enable features like clipboard redirection and file transfer based on privacy needs. Adjust the file access settings as per your organization's policies. Make sure to log out when finished using the applications. Close the Citrix Workspace app after use. It's essential to regularly update your Citrix Workspace app. Check for updates in the app settings every few weeks. Ensure your antivirus software is up to date to protect against malware. Regularly change your login password as a security best practice. Lastly, always use a secure and private internet connection when accessing remote applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.